How information and advice about care and support can help residents. A person's journey navigating through care and support can be overwhelming and confusing at times, with many people unsure who they can turn to for accurate information and advice. Surrey County Council is committed to ensuring that everyone gets the health and social care support and information they need at the right time and place. So why is information and advice so important? Good quality, accurate and accessible information and advice is essential to enabling people, carers and their families to be in control of and make informed choices about their care and support. Provided at the right time and place, it can enable people to stay independent, safe and well, and can have a substantial impact on preventing or delaying people's need for care and support. When providing information and advice, adult social care and health providers have a statutory duty to make sure that people who have a disability, impairment, or sensory loss receive information in a format that they can access and understand. Local authorities have a statutory duty to ensure residents have easy access to good information and advice. They share this responsibility with local health and care agencies, working together to ensure that we provide targeted information and advice at key points in people's contact with care and support, such as following the diagnosis of a health condition, for example, dementia, stroke, diabetes, or sensory impairment, upon discharge from hospital or the loss of a loved one. What falls under the heading of information and advice about care and support? It is relatively broad and covers areas such as possible treatments and support for your health condition, housing support including equipment, aids and adaptations or maintenance services to help you to remain as independent as possible in your home, community-based services such as home-based care, befriending services, community transport and local activities, financial support including planning for future care costs, grants, benefits and carers' allowances, employment support and benefits advice, support for carers, support for people at risk of abuse or harm, legal support including power of attorney and court of protection. How does information and advice make a difference? If people don't know what options are available to them locally, they can make the wrong decisions about their care and support for themselves or a loved one. Decisions are often made in a crisis, which makes it more challenging. Sometimes they're expensive decisions because they've committed to long-term support that they might not need, and more informal support could have met their needs. It's important that everyone receives personalised information or advice tailored to their circumstances, needs, desires, and network of current support. All health and care agencies in Surrey are working to support residents to be aware of and understand how to access information and advice about care and support. We should view information and advice as playing a key part of prevention programmes to promote greater well-being, independence, and as a service in its own right. Please explore our 3 case studies highlighting how information and advice supports residents and makes a difference to their lives.